Lesson 13, Session 3, page 293. Connect it. How is your way like model it? Well, Mrs. Sanders always likes to model. Make a 10. Okay, I like to make a 10. I also like to build the 10 and making a 10 with equations. And I like to build the 10 with pictures. Okay, how does making a 10 help you find the total? Well, you can see if you use two different colors how the 10 is built. So let's practice a little bit making a 10. Making 10, okay? So let's make our 10 rainbow. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if I'm going to do my 10 rainbow, I'm going to change the color. I'm going to make my pen smaller. 0 plus 10 equals 10. 10 plus 0 equals 10. Let's write it. 0 plus 10 equals 10. 10 plus 0 equals 10. And I'm going to go 1 to 9. 1 plus 9 equals 10. 9 plus 1 equals 10. 1 plus 9 equals 10. 9 plus 1 equals 10. Okay. Then I'm going to add 2 and 8. 2 plus 8 equals 10. 8 plus 2 equals 10. 3, let's write it. 2 plus 8 equals 10. 8 plus 2 equals 10. And we're going to do 3 and 7. 3 plus 7 equals 10. 7 plus 3 equals 10. 3 plus 7 equals 10. 7 plus 3 equals 10. I'm going to do 4 and 6. 4 plus 6 equals 10. 6 plus 4 equals 10. 4 plus 6 equals 10. 6 plus 4 equals 10. And then we'll do the last one. 5 plus 5 equals 10. 5 plus 5 equals 10. All right, so now we have our combinations of 10. Let's practice making teen numbers over here, okay? Teen. Teen numbers always have one group of 10 and at least one 1, up to 9 ones. So let's do this. 10 plus 1 equals 11. 10 plus 2 equals 12. 10 plus 3 equals 13. 10 plus 4 equals 14. 10 plus 5 equals 15. 10 plus 6 equals 16. 10 plus 7 equals 17. 10 plus 8 equals 18. 10 plus 9 equals 19. Okay, so knowing how to make a group of 10 and knowing how to add 10 and some ones, making teen numbers, will always help us when building tens with numbers. So let's look at number 3. It says, 7 cat toys are on the floor. Fluffy, the cat, this is Fluffy right here. Fluffy finds 5 more. How many toy cats? Or how many cat toys, excuse me. So she has 7, then she gets 5 more. So we're going to draw our own picture. Let's do the equation first. 7 plus 5 equals blank. Okay, first we're going to build our 10. So first we have 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, new line, 6, 7. And then we're going to add 5 more. Here we go, because 7 is a part, plus 5 is a part, and we put our parts together. 5 more, 1, 2, 3, new line, 4, 5. So we made a group of 10. And then how many ones do we have left over? Right, we have 2. 10 plus 2 equals 12. So 10 plus 2 equals 12. So what they did was they crossed these out and moved them up. But Mrs. Sanders likes to, and then they moved this one up here, and then crossed it out, and then they moved this one over here and crossed it out. Mrs. Sanders doesn't like to draw them underneath. I like to fill in our 10 frames first, okay? So that's what we did here. So we got a total of 12. The other way to do it is 7 plus 5 equals, and we can think about how many more do I need to get to 10? Well, let's look at our picture we drew. We have 7, and then count on 8, 9, 10. We needed 3 more to make 10, right? And how many were left over? How many ones? 2, right? So here we have 7. We have 7 plus 3 equals 10, and 2 more. 10 plus 2 is 12. Okay, we could also do 7 plus 5. We could use our count on strategy, right? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So counting on also gets us to the total. There are 12 cat toys.